Hello, and welcome to Taylor's Insights, your trusted source for socio-political news. Today, we're diving into a controversial appointment in India that has sparked intense political debate and legal challenges. The appointment of Gyanesh Kumar as India's 26th Chief Election Commissioner, CEC, has raised serious questions about the timing and process, especially as critical elections are on the horizon. On February 18, 2025, Rajiv Kumar's tenure as CEC ends, and Gyanesh Kumar steps into the role. The selection committee that appointed him was headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi also playing a role in the decision. However, Kumar's appointment has raised eyebrows, especially with Congress and other opposition parties calling out the timing and process. The Congress Party is pushing for a delay in the appointment until after the Supreme Court hears a petition on February 19, 2025, challenging the revised law governing the selection of election commissioners. So why is the Congress Party raising a red flag? The Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners, Appointment Conditions of Service and Term of Office, Act 2023, brought in some significant changes. The most controversial aspect is the exclusion of the Chief Justice of India from the selection panel for appointing election commissioners. In the past, the Chief Justice of India was part of this crucial process, but now, under the 2023 law, the Prime Minister and a Union Cabinet Minister nominated by the Prime Minister are part of the panel instead. Congress leader Abhishek Manu Singhvi strongly criticized this move, saying, "By trying to keep the CJI out of the panel, the government is seeking control over the Election Commission, but not its credibility." This statement underscores a larger concern. The independence of the Election Commission is at stake. This controversial law is now facing a legal battle. The Supreme Court is set to hear petitions on February 19, 2025, challenging its constitutionality. Petitioners argue that the exclusion of the Chief Justice of India undermines the independence of the Election Commission, which is crucial for ensuring free and fair elections. So, what could happen if the Supreme Court rules against the law? If the court declares the act unconstitutional, it could invalidate the appointments made under it, which might lead to a reappointment of election commissioners. However, the court's ability to annul these appointments retroactively could be limited, especially if the commissioners have already assumed office. On the other hand, if the court upholds the law, the new selection process could be legitimized, changing the balance of power within the Election Commission. This could fuel ongoing debates about the autonomy of the commission and its role in ensuring fair elections in India. The Indian government argues that the 2023 Act is in line with constitutional provisions and streamlines the appointment process. They maintain that the inclusion of a Union Cabinet Minister in the selection panel does not compromise the Election Commission's independence. As the Supreme Court prepares to hear the petition on February 19th, the implications of this judgment could reshape the future of how election commissioners are appointed in India. The court's decision will play a critical role in determining whether the Election Commission's independence remains intact or if the new law will tilt the process in favor of the ruling government. This legal battle is far from over, and legal experts, politicians, and citizens alike will be watching closely. The court's ruling will have far-reaching implications, not only for the Election Commission, but for India's democratic processes as a whole. That's all for today's deep dive into the controversy surrounding Gyanesh Kumar's appointment and the Supreme Court's upcoming hearing. Stay tuned to Taylor's Insights for more updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts on this important issue. We'll see you next time.